So hello everyone. So today we have Mr. Sushil Nandan with us. So Sushil has been in Concerto for last 6 years and he is a senior vice president of business development team. So it would be great to hear from you, Sushil, about your journey with Concerto.
Hi, thank you for having me here, Komal. Journey with Concerto has been, it has been good. Sometimes it has been challenging at times, and sometimes it was pleasant. It's just like what we have in our normal life. We will have challenges. We have to accept the challenges, and when we have challenges, we need some advices from seniors or colleagues, and that is how we overcome the challenges. So being in a sales, and the kind of business line that we have, sometimes the sales cycles are very slow. Sometimes it's most of the time it is slow, and one has to be patient. Need to have patience, and that's how you overcome the situation, and you meet the challenge. And at times when the challenge becomes too much of a challenge, then we have to go to the seniors to get the advice, or to the management. And management has been always very supportive in terms of when we are stuck at some place and we don't know where to go and how to overcome this. So in such situation, management has been helpful and very cooperative in overcoming that particular situation. So that way, the journey has been good, pleasant, and challenging, and all challenges has been accomplished. That's all. That's pretty in short about the journey with Concerto.
Yeah, great. So that was all about your journey with Concerto. So anything that you like most about Concerto?
Yeah, what I like most about Concerto is the work culture. I think I worked in earlier 3-4 companies, and the culture in Concerto is pretty much open, and there are you can always express your views and things like that. And that's a good thing about Concerto. And another point is I've seen in something I missed out to talk about in the journey of my journey in Concerto. So when I joined, we were I think we had some 86 or 90 people, and now we are 300 plus. So I think we have seen the growth in Concerto in terms of organic and inorganic growth. So that way, that's because even people who are new joinees are also enjoying their work culture and working in Concerto. So that pretty much talks about the culture. So it's a good place to work.
Yeah. So any of your memorable part in journey, or say cherishable part in journey of Concerto?
Well, as a sales guy, whenever we sign a new contract, that becomes a cherishable moment. So there are a lot of them, not one or two. But I think when we got first time an order from SBI, that was getting an SBI as a customer is any software company's dream. So we had that moment of happiness when we signed first time with SBI for some software solutions and services. Another instant was when we signed a new contract with Axis Bank. So there has been a lot of such cherishable moments from the business side, where we have signed for the first time for a new product. So that these are there are a lot of them in terms from the sales perspective. But we, from the sales point of view, we also have our sad moments when we lose a deal, or when we are, whenever some of our contracts are not renewed. But anyway, that's part of the game. You have to live with that. It's a what do you call it? Part and parcel of the business.
Yeah, right. So, any message to our consultants and their family?
Yes. Before I pass on the message to consultant and family, another very cherishable moment is all the Saustava parties, which I am really missing. I missed last year and also this year, because that is a time when all consortiums, at least most of them, maybe 90% of them, come and get together. And I always get surprised to see new faces, new face, new blood, new energy. It's so refreshing. So that anyway is missing today. Last Saustava and this Saustava. That is what, that also again can be a memorable part of the journey. All these Saustavas we all know. Right? Absolutely, yes. And message to Concerto is the company is growing. I have seen company grow in the last 5 years. 5 years back, we hardly had products to offer to the payment domain. We were, but in 5 years, we have developed new products, our own products. We have tied up with third-party companies for specific products, which is complementing our line of our domain. That means payment domain, card processing kind of stuff. And in last 5 years, what I have seen is we have added different teams. Team for a non-stop, team for open systems, team for. When I joined this company, there was only one HR. Today we have a HR team. When I joined here, there was only 1 or 2 business development guy. Now we have a team. So we are building a team, and when different teams are built within organization, that shows the organization is growing, and that's a good thing. And also I said earlier, in 5 years, from 90 to we have come 300 plus. That is also a sign of growth. And also in this pandemic season, when country is undergoing pandemic, we have seen fairly, we have seen a fair amount of growth, though it has not been good or substantial, but we have not done very bad. We have done fairly good. Most of our contracts were renewed, and so we can only grow further from here. And also that we have a very good working culture, and pandemic has taught us a lot of things. You can work from home, which was not the case in 2019. So now we have option to, there is one more thing that has opened up for consultant is you need not be present in office. You have to be working and you have to show your output. It doesn't matter from where you work. That was the last week I saw that we are hiring and you can work from anywhere in India. So that shows that we are willing to accept new challenges, and we are willing to accept the new pandemic that has actually displaced us. I mean, till 2020, before March, we all used to come to office. We used to enjoy. What I miss about Concerto is having that lunch together on rooftop, and that obviously is I'm missing that lunch session with my colleagues. Of course, all of you might be missing that when you sit for lunch at home. So my message is that once this pandemic is over, at least we will go back to office and we'll have lunch together with our colleagues. We are growing, we have to keep growing. We will have challenges in life. We have to overcome the challenge, or we have to accept the challenge and keep moving ahead. That's the only way to grow. And if we have to grow, we have to accept the challenge. There will be change. The popular saying, change is constant. There will be change. Let there be a change. We will accept the change and we will move forward.
Yeah, so thank you, Sushil, for your valuable time, and thank you for sharing a message with Consultants. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Komal. Thanks a lot.